Hi YouTube, it's Shelly with the Lemonade Store, and I wanted to go over one of the posts that I did for Instagram, and I pulled out my Prima Marketing, I guess, watercolor paints, and I only have one set, and it's the classic palette, but you can make a bunch of different colors with just that set really, because it's just the basic colors. So it comes in the palette that you see on top, and what I did was I kind of thinned out the paints because I wanted my colors to be very pastel, and that's because I'm going to add a bunch of doodling to the tops of it once they're dry. And it really turned out, I think, fun, and I've been exploring this a little bit in a couple of my posts, like different ways to do it. So I am using just a regular Pentel Aquash water brush, and of course, as always, I'll put everything below. I am an Amazon affiliate member, so I do get a small percentage if you click and purchase from those links, so I do appreciate when you do that. It kind of helps keep the Lemonade Store going, and yeah, so thanks. So I am doing the prompt Love You, and it's for the Craft, Create, Repeat prompts that are over on Instagram, and I'm the moderator of that one. It's kind of where we put all of our challenge, and I try and feature all of you guys over there and at my other account. So what I'm kind of doing here is going in and grabbing different colors and adding them so they blend. So you see me pushing some of the pigment up because I want to see the bleed into like the other colors. So I'm just kind of gently doing that, and that's one of the looks I love. So if you don't like that, you don't have to do that, but I do. So that's what I'm doing in this step here. And then also, if there's any parts that you want to kind of, go over or darken or fix your lines, this is kind of what I'm doing. And I'm using the largest brush here because I'm trying to get really thick downstrokes. And in between every color that I'm doing, you can see me, I am rinsing my brush with a cup of water. It's out of frame, but I don't just use the water brush straight. Like, I have a cup of water and a paper towel off to the side so that I can rinse and clean and then move on. So you want to make sure that you let your paint thoroughly dry, and if you don't have time, you can use one of the air dryers, and I'll link to the one that I use below. I am here using a uni pen. I think that's what it's called, uni pen, and I just got it. It's kind of like a micron, but it's still water and fade proof ink, and I'm just gonna start doodling. And this was the funnest part. I'm actually surprised how much I enjoyed it. So I went ahead and doodled all over mostly all the downstrokes or wherever I wanted. So I'll kind of speed that up for you to see how I did that, and then hopefully it'll spark some inspiration for you. I think what it kind of reminds me the most of is like those like doodling Zentangle kind of things, which I'm always drawn to, but I don't think I'm very good at. So if you're like me and you just need some inspiration, go on Pinterest and Google doodles or Zentangle, and there's going to be a gazillion things you can kind of look at and try and make it your own. Try not to copy everything exactly. That way it pushes your brain to exercise a little bit more and makes your art your own. So before you go, I want to do a quick little subscriber shout out. So I'm going to pick a name here, and following this section, I'll do the little shout out. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the likes and the subscribes. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It does help others see my channel and help me grow. So thank you so much.